Welcome to another presentation of a cryptocurrency that suffered quite a big time yesterday on the market dump. Filecoin price prediction for January 2024. Scrembo here from Emotions Crypto Trading. It is 15% down. It is amongst the ones that have been over leveraged, just like I told you in the other two presentations on Multiverse X and Theta Network. They had a community, and a large part of that has been over leveraging the cryptocurrencies compared to their SaaS portfolio, which triggered basically the stop losses quite quickly. At the same time, the liquidations have been triggered as well. It is a such situation that is pretty much impossible to be avoided by the ones that are starting out, the ones that are not having the knowledge, the ones that are new to the space of trading. Whether we talk about a crypto one or any other type of trading, if you don't have the proper knowledge around the topic, it is pretty much impossible to make money on the long term. You get totally wiped out of situations like this. So what's going on further, we will be discussing right now. Before we get into the YouTube channel that I have, make sure to like it and subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Follow me for many other price predictions on the daily videos, and make sure to check out my trades as well, live trades that I post on Shorts. You can see that there's many videos out here speaking about my live trades. You can actually join my trades. We have the option number 1, which is completely done for you based on no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved. So it's simple and straightforward. We are trading through API trading permission, and the commission is paid by you every 7 days based on performance, percentage-wise out of the pure profits. Simple, just like that. I'm going to talk about it at the end, including about the one-on-one coaching program for anyone that is serious about this space and believe it's a great opportunity to become financial freedom. Then make sure you learn this cryptocurrency business on how to trade. Become a trader from A to Z. This is something very important. Filecoin, daily candles, what has happened? Well, we're actually having a communication here between the two freaking damn golden pocket lines. Unfortunately, markets just broke out of a structure environment resistance line, the green one, which started back in the day, actually in July 2022. We had a major top formation in February 2023, and now we broke out of this. But for Filecoin, the breakout came out a little late, as the markets have been suffering yesterday, and they dumped big time. So I'm going to zoom in a little more, guys, and share with you the perspective like this. What's the idea? The idea is that you got rejected, and from the top basically till the lowest point on yesterday, you managed to form a 35% movement. A 30% movement. This 30% movement is extremely powerful, as it takes out people that are sitting on leverage quite easily. You already know that a 3x to 4x leverage takes you on a liquidation, which is impossible to avoid without adding margin or without sort of a way exiting earlier, which is generating extra selling pressure. I mean, anyone that was longing it after the breakout was forced to leave the position yesterday. If they didn't left that position, it's why our Filecoin went so low, because the selling pressure of those positions have been right there. That's where the markets take you out automatically, right? So the lower it goes, the lower it will take you out. It's how fundamental it's being built, basically. Now, the good part is that we have reacted on 20 days moving average and on the golden pocket, which are all positive signs. But at the same time, we could not be happy about how hard this cryptocurrency has dumped, and we have not been finding support back on the line to confirm above and stay above that. So right now, it is a situation here that needs to be taken under control, that the first objective and target for January price prediction would be to get back above the line and reconfirm the line, at least with a single touch or with a double touch. The reconfirmation of the line will be necessary, guys. As you broke above, you lost it, then now it's needed a reconfirmation of the line. That has been missed in the past to be confirming it. So it's the moment to offer it. And this is going to be needed by the traders for them to be able to perform in the markets of Filecoin. At the same time, we cannot exclude the ability for the markets to zigzag for a quite long period of time here before breaking above the $8 level. It is also important in January how does the ETF news will react and what are going to be them, exactly what's going to be the announcement on the topic. It is going to influence the space of crypto. Now, the only way we can get back basically to the highs quickly will be if the positive ETF news are going to come out, and then the whole market is just going to be going wild, and you're going to be left out with a liquidation that has happened yesterday. So the situation is obviously pretty ugly. It's manipulated big time, and it is always like that after we have 97% of the market sitting in longs that are heavily leveraged. When you have a 0.05% funding fee at every 8 hours, which is 0.15% fees on BTC every 24 hours, it's huge, guys, as a funding rate. It's clear that the markets are too leveraged in one side, and it's needing to be rebalanced by the market makers and whales. So that's it for the moment on the Filecoin side. Unfortunately, we are communicating between the two lines of the golden pocket instead of finding support on the previous line we broke out and handle the process from there upwards. We need to reclaim that at the moment, which will be the upcoming target for us. Keep this one in mind. Have a good time, folks. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the completely done for you trading, as well the one-on-one coaching for detailed explanation right here, or qualify for a free conversation with me if you're serious about this space. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon.